electrical and mechanical facilities provided for passengers in Delhi Metro. The main function of electrical and mechanical department is to provide power supply to different utilities. Power supply provided to different utilities can be classified into three types: normal, essential, and UPS. Apart from providing power supply to utilities, E&M department is also responsible for providing and maintaining lifts and escalators, illumination, ventilation and air conditioning, fire protection and suppression systems, and water supply and disposal. The major chunk of DMRC total operation and maintenance expenditure is on energy, and hence we have done a lot of work on energy front, including promotion of solar energy. E&M department plays a vital role in ensuring pleasing passenger comfort at underground and elevated stations. The electrical and mechanical facilities available at the station: lifts, escalators and travelators, lighting and illumination, ventilation and air conditioning, fire protection systems, and water supply and disposal system. Let's talk about lifts, escalators and travelators. As you all know that our stations have different levels, and after entry inside the station, commuters are required to change 2 levels to board metro. Similarly, after deboarding metro, 2-level change is required for exiting the station. Likewise, at least 1 level change is required for interchanging. In order to provide ease to passengers during level change and also for movement of Divyanjan, mechanized vertical transport utilities are provisioned at different levels at all our stations. Recently, in Phase 3 development, DMRC has created lots of interchange facilities for better connections. Some of the places where interchange between different lines is more, and for ease of commuter movement, at same level we have provided travelators. Lifts, escalators and travelators are electromechanical system designed and provided for commuter service. Whereas the lifts are provided for people in need for it, the escalators and travelators are for everyone's use. The entire DMRC network has been designed with a view that all type of commuters, including Divyanjan, are able to use our services independently. By completion of Phase 3 network, DMRC owns and operates more than 850 lifts, more than 1130 escalators, and more than 26 travelators in its network, including India's tallest escalator at our Janakpuri West Metro station. Lighting and illumination. Illumination is the basic key need for commuter movement, security clearance, and process of ticketing and check-in. The illumination is measured in terms of lux level, which is designed and provided at all places at stations in accordance with laid-down standards. Apart from ensuring provision of desired lux level at all the areas, the illumination provided is aesthetically designed to ensure proper uniformity, perfect color rendering, and glare-free soothing ambience. Most of the passenger guidance and information signage are illuminated and provided with uninterrupted power supply. All the newly constructed DMRC stations are being provided with energy-efficient LED lighting, whereas in existing old stations, also conventional lighting is being replaced by LED lighting in a phased manner. In addition to normal lighting, signage and emergency lighting is also provided at stations to prevent blackout situations. Emergency lighting and signage are provided backup from DG and UPS in addition to normal supply. Air conditioning and ventilation. Elevated stations are not provided with air conditioning in public area as natural air circulation is available. However, in underground station, natural air circulation is not available and commuters are enclosed in a confined space. This will cause commuters to feel uncomfortable while visiting the underground stations. Therefore, for supply of fresh air and removal of heat, a system of air conditioning and ventilation has been provided at underground stations known as Environmental Control System, that is ECS. Fire protection system. Fire and smoke emission has been recognized as one of the most dreaded accidents on metro. Fire prevention and prompt response to any incident of fire and smoke emission is therefore the most important component of disaster management on metro. In order to ensure zero tolerance to any incident of fire, DMRC has taken following steps: rigid observance of non-smoking, total ban on carriage of inflammable explosive substance within metro premises and in trains, good housekeeping, non-accumulation of garbage in the metro station premises and inside the trains. Fire detection system and fire prevention systems are provided at each station. Hydrant system. Having hydrant outlets to provide water to the firemen to fight a fire. Sprinkler system. Provided mainly in underground stations consisting of automatic sprinklers and manually operated medium-velocity spray nozzle system for tackling any fire in the underframe of train. Gas suppression systems. Automated fire suppression systems installed for protection of important electrical installations. Next topic is water supply arrangement. To fulfill the water requirement for the purpose of sanitation and station cleaning, etc., it is very essential that adequate supply of water is maintained at all our stations. However, at underground stations, huge additional water requirement is there for the purpose of air conditioning. The underground stations are provided with a centralized water supply system known as PTM, as in Portable Town Main. DMRC have 3 main PTM center located near banks of river which takes care of water supply distribution to underground stations. Next topic is waste water disposal system. At elevated stations, wastewater generated is easily disposed of with the help of gravity to nearby city drain. However, underground stations are situated much below the ground level and are therefore provided with the state-of-the-art mechanized disposal system, including adequate standby arrangement. Apart from station, the water accumulated in tunnels, if any, is also brought to nearby station for its disposal through arrangements at station. For this purpose, DMRC uses sump pumps. Sump pump is a centrifugal device consisting of an impeller and a 3-phase squirrel cage induction motor.